Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Kyle Buri, an alum of PGPX program at IIM Ahmedabad. So on seeing today's video's title, you all would have thought, oh yeah, this is yet another sales pitch. Please no, that's the last thing I ever wanted to do when I started this service. But what happened is when clients approached me, right, in the recent days especially, when totally unknown people came to me for help in their application process, they all started questioning me, why should we trust you, right? We don't even know who you are. How can we trust you with the most important process, a life deciding process, right? So this is a very natural question. I wanted to make this video to answer those questions. I think the first reason why I'd be the best person to help you with this process is because I have gone through the same journey not very long ago, very recently, right? So I understand not just with the technicality wise, but also from the mindset wise, right? Because one day I decided I'm going to quit my job, a very well-paying, settled job. I was married, living in a very peaceful life. I want to leave all that and go do an MBA program. I know how confusing it could be, right? So with those mindset things, I can totally understand where you're coming from. That I think that empathy is something that is very special I bring to the table. Also, I know how difficult it is to find someone trustworthy to entrust your application process with. I also wanted someone when I was pressed for time, but I didn't get it. I had to do every research on my own, find answer to every question, write my SOP, burning midnight oils, not knowing what to write, what not to write, how to, edit it, all of those things. So because I have gone through the same journey, I'm sure I'd be able to add value in that process. Also, it is not just essay. After that, I was called for interview in every college that I applied to. I applied to 4 schools, A, B, C and ISB. I was called for interview to all these schools. And it was really a very pressing time because I had to prepare for applications, interviews to different schools, different deadlines, different interview dates, everything, right? Managing all these timelines and preparing for the interview, being stressed of not having faced an interview in quite a while. And you know what happened? On my first MBA interview, I flunked. I didn't really do well. It was just not my day. And it was so demotivating. I understand what the demotivation can do to you also. I'm not saying you're going to fail, you will definitely not. But I bring those lessons of failure into the process because I learned from it. And the next 2 interviews I attended, by the end of my second interview, I was even very sure, like 100% sure that I'm going to get an admit in that B school, that is IMB. So IMA's interview also I did well, and IMB's interview I was like super confident that I would get an admit when I came out of the interview hall. So from flunking an interview to actually doing well, I know what it takes mentally and in preparation wise. So that is another special thing that I bring in this bring as an experience in this service. So as a person who has gone through this journey, I would not be just another professional consultant to you, but I would be more of a friendly mentor to help you through this process. Yeah, I'm a friendly mentor. I want to charge whatever the nominal amount I really want to charge because I don't want to do anything free of cost. It doesn't give commitment on both the ends, right? When someone does it for totally free. And I invest my time and energy into this. I really want to make money out of it also, but that is a secondary motive. I really want to help people out in this process, out of their confusion. So that is another thing. So it is not going to be another professional service. For example, I have laid down certain rules saying I'm not going to do more than, I want to do 2 calls or 3 iterations, something like that. If at all you say, no, I want another call or another iteration for a particular service, it's not like set in stone, and I'm not going to say, no, you have to pay extra so much to do this and all that. So that is another thing that you'll see more of a friendly mentor in me rather than a professional consultant. And apart from me going through this process, I have also spent a year with about 139 other candidates who have gone through the similar journey or different journeys of their lifetime, right? Very different backgrounds, very different motivations to do an MBA, and how they made use of it, how they contributed to the batch and everything. So I can understand how you from your different backgrounds can actually add value to the peer group that is going to be in any of the MBA programs that you are going to be in, right? So that is another thing that I would be able to add value through. And how to trust me. So I'm not going to give you testimonials of who all I helped and what all I did and all of those. I mean, those are just words, right? But what I have actually given you already is a repository of content in this YouTube channel where you can actually see my thought process and how my knowledge is, how I share it, and how I connect with different people through my thoughts and processes. So with this content, I'm sure you will know how genuine my advice is going to be and how I process multiple things and, shell out advice. So that is my point for you to trust me. And the last thing that I want to focus on is the fees, right? I'm not charging a bomb. As I already told you, this is a compensation for the time and effort that I'm going to spend with you, right? And I really don't beef up prices when I tell people, because when I go through a similar process, or I have gone through a similar process, what I generally think is, if someone has quoted some money and they have actually given discounts and discounts after discounts because you negotiated and all of that, what I end up with the mindset, right? Whatever the price may be, I'll be like, okay, if I had negotiated a little harder, maybe I could have gotten a better price. Maybe this was it, something like this, right? I don't want to start this journey, especially a very enriching journey for a person who is aspiring to get into a B school, with such a doubt and, discomfort. And I also want to say a story from your shoes. I want to help you with your application. For me as a person also, it affects if it starts with all this hard negotiations, you give, I give, and all of those things. So a negotiation is basically you versus me. I don't want to bring that into this process, because this is a place where it is you and me for your cause and your application. So I really don't want to do that. So I don't beef up prices, I don't negotiate. You can reach out to me personally through my mail ID, which is given in the description box, and ask me about my services if you want to take any. All the very best, and looking forward to be a part of your MBA journey.